In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Booking.com wallet balance. Your Booking.com wallet is where credits and rewards from past stays, promotions, or referrals are stored, and it's the amount you can use toward eligible bookings. Checking it is quick, and you can do it on either your phone or your computer. Start by logging into your Booking.com account. You'll need to be signed in, so the wallet is tied to the correct profile. If you have more than one account, make sure you're using the one where you normally make your bookings so you see the right balance. If you're on a phone or tablet, open the Booking.com app. From the home screen, look for the main menu icon, which usually looks like 3 horizontal lines, or the profile area depending on your app version. Tap that, then choose Rewards and Wallet. This section is dedicated to your credits and perks, and it's the fastest way to see what's available to you right now. Once you're in, your available credit or rewards balance will be displayed clearly at the top. That number is the amount you can apply to future stays that accept wallet credits. If you don't see anything listed, it simply means there's no current credit in your wallet. If you're on a computer, go to the Booking.com website and sign in. In the top right corner, click your profile or the area labeled Your Account. From that drop-down, select Rewards and Wallet. Just like in the app, you'll land on your wallet overview page. Here you'll see your available credit or rewards balance, usually shown in your account's currency. This is your spendable amount, and it will automatically appear as an option during checkout on eligible bookings. A couple of quick tips as you look. If the Rewards and Wallet option isn't immediately visible, double-check that you're logged in, then look under your account menu again. Interface labels can vary slightly by region or app version, but the wording Rewards and Wallet is consistent. Also, wallet balances can be updated after stays or promotions are processed, so if you're expecting credit, give it a little time and refresh the page or app. That's all there is to it. Log in, go to Rewards and Wallet on mobile or desktop, and your available credit or rewards balance will be right there. Use it on your next eligible booking to save instantly at checkout. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your next trip with a little help from your Booking.com wallet.